Hi, 21 Days to Fitness friends. I made a carrot cake this afternoon, and I want to show you how I made this carrot cake extra healthy. Now, I started with a normal carrot cake mix from Duncan Hines, and they have two kinds, and I have not been happy with the regular cake mixes of any brand that are called carrot cake. I really like carrot cake that has lots of nuts in it, and raisins and walnuts, and the regular mixes don't have it. Well, Duncan Hines came out with a new mix. It costs more, and it's called Decadent Carrot, Classic Carrot. That's what it's called. And so I opened it up, and I just still didn't feel like there were enough carrots or raisins or nuts in this mix. So I decided to add my own. So I'm pulling out some of my own ingredients, and I put in a handful of matchstick carrots. And I thought, you know, I really like zucchini bread. Why couldn't I put zucchini in with this? And so I had a whole zucchini, and so I put about that much is left, so 2/3 of a zucchini, diced it up very small, put that in there. Okay, what else can we put in? Obviously, I always have my walnuts and cranberries and raisins here in this container, and so I put about a 1/2 cup of those in there. And just this week, I got in from Amazon some flaxseed single-serving packets. And these come out of New Jersey. It's called Carrington Farms, and I'll try to put the link for these if I can get to it tonight or tomorrow. I'll put it on the website. And these are ground flaxseed little single-serving packets. And the flaxseed, of course, is for your omega-3s. Really, really good for you. And so I put 2 of those in there. And on the cake mix, on the back, it says you need water, eggs, and oil. So whenever you're making these cake mixes, never use the oil. Use applesauce instead. And so since I'm doing something that's kind of a cinnamon flavor, I used half applesauce and half apple butter because apple butter has the cinnamon in it. I also added some cinnamon just for flavor. And when you put in the zucchini and the extra carrots, that's going to add moisture to your mix. And so I wanted to also put something in that was dry, such as oatmeal, which would also be healthy. So I added about probably about a whole cup, 3/4 of a cup of oatmeal. And then, this is my brown sugar, and then I put in about 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Just because, okay, here I'm adding all of these things that aren't really sweet. The carrots are, the zucchini's not, and I didn't want the cake to come out to not taste good. So I just put a little bit of that brown sugar in there, and I also added some cinnamon. So all of these extra ingredients, baked it, and here's my beautiful cake right here, which we've already eaten some of, and it just turned out fabulous. Now it's more like a zucchini bread. It's moisture, it's a little bit thicker. On the eggs, I used, instead of 3 whole eggs, I used 1 whole egg and 4 egg whites. And so that took 10 grams of fat out of the mix. And so this is just a super healthy dessert that you can eat at any time. You can eat it at breakfast, you can have it as a mid-afternoon snack. It's got some protein in it from the nuts. It's got obviously lots of vegetables. Really good for you. So just like I've always been trying to tell you on lots of my other cooking videos, I want you to just throw in vegetables in everything that you cook as much as you possibly can. Just put them in everything, and you're going to be a lot healthier the more you can put into everything that you eat. Instead of always eating it separately, just put it all in together. Well, thanks for listening, and I hope this has helped you. Have a fit day. Bye-bye.